As reported by Oedo Soldier on March 13, 2025, China is developing a new generation of amphibious infantry fighting vehicles, IFVs, to replace the existing Type 05 family. Recent imagery reveals a new platform that could feature an unmanned turret and an active protection system, APS. The vehicle, identified by hull number 003, appears to incorporate mobility and survivability improvements for amphibious operations. The new IFV's turret, which lacks visible crew positions, suggests it is unmanned and automated. Reports indicate that the new amphibious IFV, identified by hull number 003, could integrate multiple sensor systems for target acquisition and active defense, likely forming part of a hard-kill APS. This approach differs from Western designs that use composite or NIRA armor as layered passive armor, which increases weight. The Chinese model prioritizes active defenses, which are suited for light vehicles where conventional armor provides limited protection. The vehicle's main armament appears to be a 30mm autocannon, similar to the ZBD-05. No anti-tank guided missile (ATGM) launcher is visible, though it could be mounted on the opposite side of the turret. The hull exhibits several changes compared to earlier models, including variations in the spacing of road wheels and modifications to the transom flap at the rear. These changes indicate efforts to refine hydrodynamic performance and enhance amphibious maneuverability. China has also tested a potentially larger version of the Type 05, distinguished by changes to its road wheel spacing and hull structure. Observers have noted the redesigned turret of the vehicle, identified by hull number 005, and partially faceted barrel, suggesting changes in armament, as well as the expansion of an amphibious combat vehicle family that could include new assault tank or support variants. China's current amphibious warfare strategy could involve securing air superiority before deploying these IFVs and amphibious tanks in an armored landing operation. The Type 05 amphibious combat vehicle family was developed in the early 2000s to replace older platforms such as the Type 63A amphibious tank. The People's Liberation Army required a high-speed amphibious vehicle capable of over-the-horizon deployment and increased firepower. Developed by Norinco, the Type 05 was designed to improve China's amphibious assault capabilities. It entered service in 2005, and multiple variants have since been introduced to support different operational requirements. The Type 05, which seems to be inspired by the now cancelled U.S. Expeditionary Fighting Vehicle (EFV) program, remains in active use within China's amphibious forces. The Type 05 incorporates a hydrodynamically optimized hull, an extendable bow, and a retractable suspension system, enabling speeds of up to 30 km per hour in water. It is propelled by two rear-mounted water jets, while on land, it utilizes a diesel engine generating 1,500 horsepower in waterborne mode and 550 horsepower on land. The vehicle's aluminum alloy construction reduces weight while providing limited protection against small arms fire and shell fragments. Additional composite armor plates enhance protection in specific areas, such as the turret. The fire control system includes thermal imaging, a laser rangefinder, and independent sights for both the commander and gunner. These features contribute to target acquisition and engagement capabilities. The Type 05 is designed for rapid amphibious landings and operations in coastal environments. The Type 05 series consists of several variants designed for specialized roles that are used by the Chinese Navy's Marine Corps and Army's amphibious mechanized brigades. The ZBD-05 serves as the infantry fighting vehicle variant, equipped with a 30mm autocannon and anti-tank guided missiles to support dismounted infantry. The ZTD-05 functions as an amphibious assault vehicle, fitted with a 105 mm rifled gun capable of firing kinetic and guided munitions. Additional versions include command and control vehicles, reconnaissance variants, armored recovery vehicles, and engineering support models. These adaptations enable the Type 05 platform to conduct a range of amphibious operations, including direct assault, logistical support, and battlefield coordination. The ZBD-05, the infantry fighting vehicle variant, is equipped with a ZPT-99 30mm autocannon capable of engaging ground and aerial targets. It is complemented by a 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun and can be outfitted with HJ-73C anti-tank guided missiles. The turret is integrated with a fire control system featuring a digital ballistic computer, thermal imaging, and a laser rangefinder. The vehicle accommodates a crew of 3 and can transport up to 8 infantry personnel in the rear compartment. The retractable suspension system, combined with its engine power, facilitates seamless transitions between land and water operations, ensuring operational flexibility across diverse terrains.